Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu5 and I'm going to do an unboxing video for you today. I got two things with me right now, same package from Amazon, which is kind of interesting in its own weird way. And the real interesting thing hasn't showed up yet, but I'm just going to add that to the this one video. It's all supposed to come in today. So, but I want to check out the things that I got from Amazon. And I wanted to make an unboxing video, so I'm turning on the camera. Got my Amazon box that has two things in it that probably shouldn't be shipped together. Could be a little bit disrespectful, but anyways, let's get in it. This is my Cold Steel Chris Voyager. Hopefully I'm not cutting in too deep. Some of you are going to laugh when you realize what two items have shipped together in the same box. I did not plan for this. It was just weird. It just happened. But to show you item number one, I got the Quran with Christian commentary. So this is a English Quran. And it has Christian commentary. So yes, I am now the proud owner of a Quran, the Holy Book of Islam with Christian commentary. But you know what also came in this package? Alberico acorn-fed ham. I did not plan on that. It was like, I've been kind of thinking about Serrano ham and this Alberico ham for a while now. I actually had a dream about this type of ham, and I was like, you know what? You know, it's expensive to get. It's expensive to get this ham as opposed to the Serrano ham. But I was like, you know what? It'll help the shipping be free on this item. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and order this ham and see what the big fuss is about. So there's going to be a separate video on this as well. But yeah, it was literally packaged like this. Ham on top of a Quran. Weird. I'm probably going to review the Quran, but I'm not going to read it in its entirety in order to review it. I'm probably going to read chapter 9, maybe chapter 33, and give you my thoughts on the book. I know a lot of you are not very interested in that, but I am. I got one more thing coming in the mail that is going to be very interesting, so stay tuned. Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu5. This is item number 3 of my unboxing video. Two items came in the same box, my Quran and Alberico ham, which is kind of interesting. Did not intend for that to happen. Can't stress that enough. But this is from Cold Steel. Yeah, Ventura County, California. And this is a result of a conversation I had with Richard Lee. And I decided I needed to try something out that I've never tried before. No picture on the box, but as you can see, it is a sword. This would be my second sword, if you count the Columbia River Knife and Tool Hisho, which is a Ko Wakizashi. And this, oh, yay, sword bags. Saya. Yeah, and this is the, don't know which way it's coming. Got me a Dragonfly Wakizashi.
Wow.
You can actually hold it with two hands. Is this the long handle? I don't know, I'd have to measure it. But yeah, I love the, I think it's, I can't remember the proper name of the wrapping, but I love this color. this kind of green teal color, which really drew me to this sword. Looks like it was well oiled. Don't know how sharp it is out of the box. Got a piece of paper here that's crumpled up. Oop. It's all wrinkly. Okay, it's cutting paper sharp. But this came about because Richard Lee did a video with Cold Steel showing off the Wakizashis in his ninja costume. And I messaged him up. I was like, hey, I like going to the Renaissance Festival. I need a sword for the Renaissance Festival. And we talked about it. Basically, I said, I like all swords, but this sword is kind of what... oh, it's a really tight fit. I for a long time was a weeaboo. I loved Japanese culture. I love Japanese blades, and that looks to be a little bit tight. But I was a weeaboo. Anime. What really got me interested in swords to begin with was Ronin Kenshin, Samurai X, the anime, and then I got interested in other things. That it was anime that got me interested in martial arts and swords. It really kind of boosted my interest in knives. And so, but it's kind of interesting that I have actually gotten one of these types of swords up until now. There it is, a Quran, a sword, and ham.